So what's up, guys? Just got done with a roving gig, which means I go around and I talk to the kids when they're eating lunch and bug the crap out of them and show them all the cool things that we're going to be doing coming up in the next season, which is starting February 3rd. So trying to get the kids in, trying to get some money, you know. Gotta get the money in, I'm telling you, dog. Woo! Inside joke there, if anybody knows me. Inside joke. Yeah, there's I've been here since like 11 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock now, 2 something. Yeah, I got my class at 2:30. Yeah, it's 2:02. So I got my class at 2:30, and so I was like, dude, I need to go get something to eat. Something to eat would probably be a good idea. So there's no place around here for like any fast food, and I was like, I was kind of hoping for like, you know, some Wendy's or some McDonald's or something, but there's nothing around here. So I settled on going to the golf course, and if you've ever eaten at a golf course, you know you're getting screwed on the price, no matter what. What was it? It was $9 for a freaking grilled cheese sandwich, French fries, and an orange crush. Like, are you kidding me? $9 for all that, where you can make that at home for $2, not even that. It's ridiculous, redonkulous. And it was a good sandwich, yes. It was very, you know, it was nice and big and, you know, filling and stuff. But still, $9. $9 that I'll never see again. So yeah, beware of golf course food. It's very expensive for no reason at all. So alright, I've got about another 10 minutes or so before I need to start setting up my class and doing all that stuff. So alright guys, laters. Where are we, Luna? Where are we? We are in Luna's favorite Golden. Hello, how are you? Good. Favorite spot, Luna?
Oh, that's a big Santa.
It's church. Church. So we're in Luna's favorite place again. Church. Church. Yay. Oh, you got me. Golden.
Luna, come here. Luna, come here. Come here.
They never have anything cool for like Luna-sized dogs.
Here.
Oh my god, gross.
You big fatty. Oh, she's a snow angel.
Oh god, please no.
Oh, we can get her little booties.
We could get little booties.
Not all the things up here.
It's church. What's up?
They don't have any big bandanas.
No, they don't. She's got a cooler bandana anyway.
Luna, come on.
Go. Somebody must have peed on there.
I peed on there, darling. Luna, come on. Come on. Come on. Sit. Sit.
Luna, look.
She's just slobbing all over the glass. Luna, look. Look. Not pause. No.
No, pause.
No, Luna.
I want to get a macro of you. You look cool.
The bird or the
No,
slobber?
the bird. The bird. I don't know if I can macro it.
He's like, what's up, buddy?
Come here.
He's
Over
trying
here.
to see past the slobber.
Ew, slobber. This is macro slobber. Are you dancing?
That's a cool bird.
That is a cool bird. A sun cure?
No?
No?
Luna likes it.
I'm gonna macro you. No, can't. You're too far away.
But these guys. This guy's got a nice little deal. Look at him. Oh, you moved.
This guy was cool though. Hey.
Luna.
Like, what are you doing?